Tonight I want to present you the brand new Skoda Kodiaq lighting system. Also the exterior lights, interior lights, everything about the lights will be in this video. I will have a few separate videos. If you want to see the full review, the test drive video, I have separate videos. Definitely check out, because this is an amazing family car. Probably one of the best family car that you can get in 2024. Anyway, this is the key, and this is the way it looks when you turn on the car in the nighttime. It comes also optional with those matrix LED headlamps, adaptive cornering and all that stuff. One of the best technology when it comes to lighting system. You have it right here on this Skoda Kodiaq. It's an 1,300 euro option, but I totally recommend you, if you have the money, to go for them, because they are amazing. And if you see from the right side, I don't know if you can see it so well, let me show you one more time. If you see on the right side, yeah, it's not working. I have to turn on the car. The thing is that those lighting system in the nighttime, they can adjust depending on the vehicle in front, depending on so many factors. But if you look on the side here, you can see also some kind of green crystal design. They are well known for the crystals, and probably already know they try to keep this design. And also you can see writing here Skoda crystal lightning, so this is kind of their signature. They look fantastic from my point of view. Not only that, they fit really nice with the big size of the car, but also they are so useful. I will do a test drive in the nighttime, and I will try to show you a little bit better how they work from the interior while you're driving, so you can make an idea. But in general, they are pretty bright. Also optional with this package come as well this LED light bar included, inserted in the grille, in the front grille. I think it looks nice. I think it fit pretty well with the car overall design. What you notice right here is the fact that the cars these days doesn't come anymore with the fog lamps. Why is that? Because now the fog lamps, the light for the fog, it's integrated into the lighting system, and I will show you a little bit later when we go inside the way they look and what is the difference with, they call it like bad weather light or something like that. This is the front light, and I will show you right now when I turn on the high beam, and then we will go and make a tour around the car. This is the low beam and this is the high beam. So this is the difference. You can see right now what change inside the bulbs. So you can see right here, the lower part is the high beam, and you can see in front of the building, man, it's so much light. It's one of the most bright headlamps that I test in the last, let's say, 6 months to 1 year. It's crazy light, probably one of the most light up. Let's go in the back and let me show you the brake and also the reverse light as well. So going in the back, this is the reverse light and this is the brake. And you can see them both in the same time right now, the way they look, brake and reverse. LED light, of course. In the Volkswagen Group cars and also Skoda, of course, we have only LED light, so you don't find any halogen. Another thing that I want to show you, it's now I want to turn on the fog lamps, and I want to turn also the poor weather light, they call it. Let me go inside the car to show you something really interesting and how you turn them on. So to understand a little bit better, here on the left side you have this button for the poor weather light. You can see on and off, and every time you put it off and or on, you can see that the lighting system outside is changing. You see that? It's different. When it's on, it's a little bit more on the side. When it's off, it's more in the middle, if that makes sense. Check this out. So now it's on, now it's off. Now it's on, now it's off. Now it's on, now it's off. Poor weather on, poor weather off. So poor weather off, you don't have light in these areas. And then you have more ahead. But when you turn on the poor weather, then you have more on the side. And of course the other button is for the fog lamps. Yeah, I think you already saw that. Low beam, high beam, super powerful. I want to turn on the hazard lights and go around the car to show you a little bit the way it looks. Also, I don't know if you saw it before, but you have this super nice ambient light where you see this Skoda logo. It comes from down here, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it's around here under the mirror. The lighting system with this logo, but it looks so cool. Nice touch. Let me go a little bit around the car to show you how the car look like from the distance. You can see also my shadow because it's a lot of lighting system around here. But in general, I think it looks cool. The back of the car, it looks pretty powerful, pretty nice. Then you go on the side, you have this turning signal on the mirror cap, which is also great from my point of view. And then you have in the front the headlamps, which are crazy powerful with that grille, which looks super nice from my point of view. So overall, I think it looks quite nice. Not sure about you, but I think it looks great. And again, the back end, everywhere it's LED, so we don't have any halogen light on this new Skoda Kodiaq, and looks nice from the back. This C design tail light looks so cool, and you have the following turning signal, you have the fog lamp in the middle LED. This is the nice kind of a three-dimensional crystal design light. Then you have here on the left side again the turning signal with the same fog lamp on the both sides, and then you have of course down here the LED lights for the number plate plus the reverse camera. Then on the side, LED light, you already saw it here on the mirror, super visible, super big mirrors. And then you have also this area when you have the turning signals off, then will be the daytime running light, but when you have it on, you have this crystal design yellow light. And you have another part down here which looks so cool. And yeah, other than that, this is it. And this is the way it looks from the front. Yay! What do you think, guys? You like it? Now let's go inside. I think I showed you everything outside. Going inside, automatic lift gate in the trunk, and once you go here, you will see that not only that it's a huge space in the trunk, but you have plenty of light, and you have good quality light, LED light, white bright light, super powerful, which allow you to see perfectly in the trunk right here. Anyway, you have also the button for the hook right here, but overall this is the light in the trunk. Let's go. You have also two lights up here, by the way, I forget to show you. So you have two lights up here on the trunk, and you have two lights on the side, which are so useful because you don't only illuminate the trunk inside, but you will see that when you open it, it's illuminating also the front of the trunk. So you have much more light, not only inside but also somehow outside. So yeah, crazy practical. Practicality, it's one of the words that Skoda was always well known for. Now going here, before we go inside to see this beautiful brown interior, you can see here on the door the LED light bar that you can change the colors. I will show you a little bit later. Then you can see the background light on the button, and you can see this white LED light, super bright light in the interior. So you can see how much light you have there. More than enough light from my point of view. It's more than enough. Down here to USB-C with LED light, and on the other side you can see the ambient light. And of course up here you already saw the LED light, and also in the front they're closed right now, but I can turn them on in a second just like that so you can see a little bit better. This is the way it looks with the lights on, super powerful. And this is the way it looks with the lights off. I can also turn off the hazard lights so you can see a little bit better. Lovely interior in the nighttime, to be honest. The ambient light, you have it on the legs, but you have it also here around the dashboard, which is super clear, and it doesn't bother you when you're driving, which I like very much. Plus you have the screens that can dim down in a dark mode, and then this is the way it looks. Anyway, let's go in the front to show you there a little bit more. Here on the front, the same ambient light on the doors, same ambient light behind the buttons, a white bright light, which I like it. It's very clear because you can find in this way all the buttons, physical buttons in the car. You can find it very easy. This is the way it looks also in the front with this LED light. And you have those buttons around here with the LED ambient light behind. You have some LED lights on the legs. Once you go inside, you will see even here on the dash you have this LED light inserted, super nice and clear into the dashboard. Then you have the head-up display. Down here you have some LED light where you put your phone or wherever, the USB ports. Also here you have those super nice screens where you have the climatic system, and from where you can change different settings, which are super useful and super visible even in the nighttime. And I like the fact that they're crazy visible because it's easy to adjust, easy to find the buttons in the night, even the start stop button, even the ambient light on the legs. So it's super cool. And even here, guys, on the glove box you have super bright LED light, but you don't have light on the upper side, so here is no light. Even the stalk, when you change the gears, it's illuminated and it has a nice light. This is the low beam, by the way, and this is the high beam. And up here you have some ambient light, and up here you have on the vanity mirror LED lights. What I want to do right now is just changing the ambient color inside the car, so you can see a little bit better how it looks. If you go into the menu here to the background light, you can change the different moods, they call it, and you can see every time you change the different mood, the colors inside is changing on the dash. And even ocean, you have this blue, you have the race in red, give you that sporty feeling. If you go to individual, you can customize. You can go even to the brightness of the light, so you can dim it down. You can make it stronger, depending how you want. Here, depending on the moods, depending on the driving mode. And then you can switch it off completely if you want in the dark. If that bother you, okay, no problem, you can switch it off. But if you go to individual here, then you can go to individual right here, and you can individualize the color. So you can choose, you have so many colors to choose from, and you can choose wherever color fit you well. Inside the car you can leave it green, man, and there are so many nice colors here to choose from, which I find it pretty cool. You can change even the color on the lower, on the legs. I don't know if you can see it from that area, but that's so cool. And then you can choose the brightness of the light depending on the area. But yeah, ocean, I think it's so cool. Otherwise, this is the interior. I think it looks so cool. You have a lot of LED lights around here. Alright guys, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get some useful information from here. From my point of view, all the lighting system from this Skoda Kodiaq, it's made with good taste. And yeah, it's a lovely car. Anyway, I think it's one of my favorite family car. And if you want to buy a car with combustion engine, I think this might be one of the best option for you. Anyway, that was the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that you're watching my videos. If you still have questions, ask me down below, whatever question you have. Yeah, as always, see you soon, guys. Bye.